Skoka natural site, Skoka and Skok waterfalls, and the Saraya cave. Waterfalls are among the most dazzling phenomena in nature. The water, falling from a height, deflects the light in gleams of various colors, breaks down with a roar, and splatters clouds of water dust. We cannot describe it like Aleko Constantinov, a famous Bulgarian writer, did, but we can show you two unknown yet uniquely beautiful waterfalls in the Skoka area of the Smyadovo surroundings. They are a temptation for the senses of anyone willing to stop for a tourist visit on the Shumen-Karnobat road. Straight after the sign marking the end of the Veselinovo village in the Rish Passage direction, you will see on the left a gravel path. 4 kilometers down the path, there is a parking lay-by pull-out and signs directing to the two waterfalls, the Saraya cave and the Sofrata rock. A narrow, unmarked path to the right of the road will lead you to the upper part of the bigger waterfall, which the area is named after. There you can find the scenic lookout, which overviews the entire Veselinovo valley. The waters of Skoka, falling 50 meters down, resemble a fall into an abyss, especially in the spring when the waterfall is at its highest. If you follow the echo path passing by, you can go down to its foot where a small crystal clear emerald pond has formed. In the opposite direction up the river, there are playful cascades, and even further up is the little Skok waterfall. In the hottest months of the year, the waterfall nearly dries out, but when the river is full, you can enjoy its utmost charms. The way down to its foot is however quite steep, which is why you're going to need proper shoes and acute attention. A separate fork of the echo path leads to the Saraya cave. It has a more or less narrow entrance, but its length is about 40 meters. Just as in other caves in the vicinity, the Bulgarians used to find here a refuge in the hard times of the Ottoman rule. In 2006, this picturesque corner of the Veselinovo village land was announced a natural site. The purpose was to preserve Skoka, the rocky rests, the Sofrata and Yamite rocks, and the waterfalls down the Krštenica river. It is managed and guarded by the Smyadovo municipality. On the territory of the natural site, any activities interfering with its natural state or diminishing its aesthetic value are banned. In addition to being a tourist attraction, the area is also outstanding for being home of protected animals like deers, does, owls, and wild boar. Smyadovo and its surrounding villages take care of the preservation of the natural heritage so that more people could reach them and enjoy them without depriving them of their beauty and diversity.